Hello and welcome back. My name is Yogini. It's day 7 of the 30-day video challenge. And wow, so I can't believe that for an entire week I've been able to upload videos. So, yes, to celebrate this, I'm gonna make today's video a little bit more colorful. I'm gonna draw something. I'm gonna draw two of my favorite things, a moon and a mountain. So, without wasting further time, I will start drawing. Now, it's just a very like a freehand drawing, but if you want, you can use some tools and you can modify it as you like it. And also, one more thing I want to say is that while drawing, I tend to talk a bit softly and also slowly, so kindly bear with me if I happen to do that. So let me just start drawing. What I'm going to just show you a small just to give you an idea of what I'm going to draw. So okay, I'm going to draw some mountains like that and a moon like that. No, just this is just a very rough idea, and don't worry, it's not this is not the whole drawing. I'm going to add some colors to it. So let me just start with a pencil. See, as I said, when I start drawing, I also go quiet. Yeah, but that's okay. You know I'm here. I know you're there. You are watching the video and maybe also drawing along with me, or you will draw this later. Now what I'm going to do is just going to add a darker outline. No, I did not wanted that, but okay, no problem. Yeah, I actually wanted the mountain to be behind the moon, but I guess that won't happen now. So now the moon goes behind the mountain. I'm not really good at freehand, so I always draw with, most of the times I draw with a pencil outline. I draw with a pencil first, but if you are really good at it, you can go ahead and start drawing directly with the ink. Okay, I'm just going to be blabbering in between. Not blabbering, but I'm just going to be saying things in between. Fillers which make no sense, but kindly bear with me. Okay, now I'm going to just add some patterns to the mountain here. I'm just going to add random lines. And later I will be filling these with some colors, as you will see. Okay. I guess that should be fine. This is one of my favorite patterns. I use this quite a lot. I think I'll also add some for the moon. I'm not sure how that will look, but we will see. Okay, I tried to zoom in, but there was some problem and I was not able to zoom in. But I hope this is clear. It's not too small and you can see the drawing properly. Now for the mountains, I'm gonna keep it. I am just going to add only two colors. Now I'm thinking maybe black and brown. Yeah, I will see how that goes. Black and brown. That's the brown I'm gonna use, and black. I'm using color pencils, but you can use ink or crayons or sketch pens or brush pens or watercolors or whatever colors of your choice. Okay, so let me just fill in these tiny sections that we've made. For the mountains, I'm gonna keep only two colors because I plan to use more colors for the moon. Okay, again, I'm gonna stop talking because so that I can color the mountain. You can pick any colors of your choice. If you want to make it look like snowy mountains, you could pick something like a bluish color. I really hope it looks okay when I'm done with this drawing. Maybe I'll just add one more section here. So that I can use this black. I think it's all right. Oh, I could do it here as well. Okay, now I move on to my brown color and fill the remaining sections of this mountain with brown color. I think it's a pretty light brown, but it's okay. Not a problem. Okay, see the problem now. I'm going to have to color the same color, fill in the same color for two adjacent sections. But that's okay. That's okay. Everything is all right. I think that sounded funny. Okay. Maybe I can use a different brown, darker brown. It almost looks like black. Oops. Okay. Maybe try this brown. Yeah. Okay, I think I was quiet for a really long time. But that's what happens, like I said, when I'm painting, when I'm drawing, when I'm doing anything else. Like, I can't really multitask, I guess. Anyway, so yeah, that is the mountain, which is done. And for the moon, I'm just gonna make it really colorful. Going to be using some blue. I don't have any particular colors in mind, but I think I'm just gonna make it really colorful. My moon is going to be very, very, very colorful. Very, very, very colorful is what I wanted to say. Oh, there was this dark brown here, and I missed that. I'm using this Faber-Castell color pencils. I think I like them. I use them quite a lot. I have been using this for quite some time. Let's just use some red, maybe here. I think I added too many sections. Now I have to fill in too many of them, which will make this video pretty long. But I hope you don't mind that. Oops. Okay. It's shaking. The point is shaking. The lead is shaking. I have to hold and paint. I also like this green. Wow, that is one colorful moon. Have you ever seen such a colorful moon anywhere? But why not? It's my drawing. It's my art. And I have the freedom to draw the moon as I like it. Haven't added yellow anywhere. Maybe I can add some yellow. The problem with yellow is it's too, okay, it's visible here, but most of the times yellow is too pale. I think I used up almost all the colors. And some brown. Some red. Should I use the purple? Or maybe, what color? Oh, which color should I use? Oh, maybe a blue, a sky blue again. And it's almost done. Yes, here it is, my colorful moon and mountains, two of my favorite things. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you would like to give it a try. You can use your imagination, your creativity to draw this in your own way. And okay, wow, it's a very long video. I just checked the time and it's very long video, so I'm going to stop right there. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, take care.